You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, which is going to have two slightly different pronunciations. The name of an amphibian animal. In British English, in the UK, it is said as newt. Newt, newt, newt. In American English, rather pronounced, the pronunciation in the United States is as newt. It's the same difference as in new versus new. Newt in the UK, newt in the US. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.